Welcome to Shirl's Puris. Today I'm back with an amazing recipe, that is chicken Manchurian. So to make chicken Manchurian we'll require at least 1 cup, or you'll require boneless chicken. You can take how much you want. I've boiled this. Here I have 1 cup of corn flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, Ajinomoto, this is Chinese salt, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste.
So
Here
friends,
I have taken some
chicken stock. If you feel that your dough is
which I have took it
too
from
dry,
the
then
chicken
you
that
can
I boiled.
add this to make it a soft dough.
So in another bowl, we'll first add in our chickens. Then to it we'll add ginger garlic paste. Then we'll add Ajinomoto. This is the Chinese salt. We had already added salt while cooking the chicken. So we'll add a pinch of salt here. Now we'll mix it up well. Now to it we'll add corn flour. Here I'm adding 1, 2 and 3 teaspoons first. Then we'll add in flour. This is all-purpose flour. Here I am adding 6 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. So I added 3 teaspoons of corn flour and 6 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. We'll mix it well, and if required we can add more of flour. So friends, now we'll knead the chicken with this flour and make a soft dough. Here I have used little bit of stock, just 1 teaspoon. I added it in the dough mixture. I'm kneading it again. So friends, here you can see my dough is ready. It is nice and soft. Now we'll start making small balls. We'll take a small piece and then we'll start rolling it. So friends, here one of the ball is ready. One of the Manchurian ball is ready. Now similarly we'll make So friends, here my oil is nice and hot. Now we'll put the balls one by one. Make sure you cook it until they are nice and golden brown in color. So friends, here you can see they are nice and golden brown in color, and they also look very crispy. Now we'll take them off in a plate. So friends, here I have taken them off in a plate. Now we'll start preparing the gravy. So to make the gravy, we'll require some stock. Here I have 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, half teaspoon of Ajinomoto, the Chinese salt, and here I have some garlic cloves. I've taken 7 to 8 garlic cloves and finely chopped them. And this is 1 inch of ginger. This is also finely chopped. Now here I have red chili paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili paste. Here I have 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We'll also require half cup of spring onion. Here in a pan, we'll add in olive oil. I'm adding at least 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then to it we'll add garlic. We'll saute it a bit. And then to it we'll add ginger. We'll mix it well and saute them until they are nice and light brown. Then to it we'll add green chilies. I've slid them. Just mix it well. Just mix them all well, and then we'll add red chili paste. Just mix it well. Then to it we'll add Ajinomoto. This is the Chinese salt. After 2 minutes, we'll add soya sauce and vinegar. Now we'll mix it well. Now we'll add the chicken stock. We'll just add half cup of chicken stock and mix it well. Now to this gravy we'll add spring onion. Mix it well and then add all the Manchurian balls. And stir it quickly. Now we'll add cornstarch in it. Here I have mixed 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. We'll add it and we'll mix it. This will make the gravy a bit more thick. If you need more gravy, you can add a bit more chicken stock, or else if you want it more thicker, you can add more cornstarch. So friends, here your chicken Manchurian is ready. Now we'll serve it. So friends, our chicken Manchurian is ready. You can see how tasty it looks. This recipe is really very awesome. Please do try this recipe at home. So friends, if you like this amazing recipe, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and do try this recipe at home. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, or if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.